Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you are using the ChatGPT while uploading any image on ChatGPT, you are getting this error. This browser does not support processing HEIC image file. For best result, please convert the HEIC image to a JPG and try again. As you can see guys. So what is HEIC image guys? HEIC is Apple default image format used by iPhone. It save storage while maintaining image quality, but not every Windows application or other application will fully support this format. So now let's fix it out. First you need to minimize your ChatGPT, okay, like this. Now what you need to do, you need to convert your HEIC image to JPEG or JPG format before uploading on ChatGPT. So what you need to do guys, you need to right click on your image or go to open with. Simply you need to open this image in Paint app. In Paint app will open all kind of image format easily. Okay, after opening, just click on file, go to save. Now you need to select JPEG or PNG. I will select JPEG format from here like this. Select your location, give your file name and then click on save. That's it. Now you can close the Paint app. Now our image was converted from HEIC format to JPG, as you can see guys. Now drag and drop this image on the ChatGPT. It will 100% successfully uploaded, as you can see guys. So now you can do your work easily. So this is the way to fix this issue. Okay, so that's all guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.